Washing machine. The washing machine is a technology for household appliances that are used to help with household activities. The first washing machine was invented by a German scientist named Jacob Christian Sever in 1767. But the machine does not work automatically. The washing machine still consists of a wooden tank and a wooden turning lever. The washing machine has a function, namely helping to wash and clean clothes from stains. This is what makes the washing machine one of the desired electronic products because it is felt that it can easily do work when washing traditionally or manually. Washing machines have a price of hundreds to millions. Although it has an expensive price, but everyone wants to buy it because it is considered very helpful in work. That is all, and thank you.